turning over ceremonies. Of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of these people behind this inauguration.
Mrs. Annabelle V. Samaniego, President, School Parents Teachers Association. Ma'am Glenda Tanalgo, Treasurer, IHS Alumni Foundation Incorporated. Engineer Aurora Alerta Lim, Chairman, Iloilo High School Alumni Foundation Incorporated. Mr. Julius Martin C. Soliesta, IHS and INHS Alumni Association Incorporated.
We will introduce Amazon Garcia from the University of San Agustin.
Rosemary Apuang, Business Development Expert, Globe Telecom.
And also, please be remain on your post, for we are going to start our program. And also, the honorable guests, friends, fellow advocates of youth.
To each one of you joining us today for this monumental occasion.
Yes, indeed. Today is not just an ordinary day. Stone that affirms our continuing commitment to nurture and empower our learners.
Driving education in the province. Ladies and gentlemen, this is
Bangay Minerva Teen Center Inauguration and Turning Over Ceremonies. As we celebrate this milestone, let us first acknowledge the power.
everyone to be
Office, Sangguniang Aldeguer Javier, Department of Education Center. Today, we are blessed and privileged as we witness another historical event here in Iloilo National High School, the inauguration of Balay Minerva Teen Center, generously donated by the province of Iloilo. This facility stands as a testament of the province of Iloilo's commitment to nurturing the youth and providing them with a safe and conducive environment for growth and development. Your support will surely have a lasting impact on the lives of our students. Make this grandiose Balay Minerva a haven of growth and safe.
Driving away spirits and paving the way for hope for a lasting change.
teachers and partners, and Mrs. Annabel V. Samaniego.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness together the symbolic opening of new opportunities and brighter futures.
We would also like to request Director Harold Alfred Marshall, Regional Director, Commission on Population and Development, Region 6, to join in the ceremony. Mrs. Annabel V. Samaniego.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness together the symbolic opening of new opportunities and brighter futures.
We would also like to request Director Harold Alfred Marshall, Regional Director, Commission on Population and Development, Region 6, to join in the ceremony. The Balay Minerva marker. We would like to request Jaron K. Alviar, SSLG President, to join our guests in the unveiling of the Minerva marker. Together with Engineer Romeo C. Andig, Department Head, Iloilo Provincial Engineers Office. Like to request Ma'am Alfreda S. Fajardo, Secretariat, Provincial School Board, to join in the ceremony. In 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Balay
May it remind generations of young people that this place is built for them, for their voices, their growth, and their future.
Signifying the start of a great journey. The fire will be lit to ignite our collective hope and dedication. May its glow nurture and empower young Alfreda S. Fajardo. Together with Director Harold Alfred Marshall of the Public Purpose, may we warmly welcome Attorney Ruel Von D. Soperio, Department Head, Iloilo Province Population Office. Let's give him a round of applause.
Governor Toto Defensor, Board Member Isara Javier, Director, Commission on Population and Development, Director Marshall, our population family, Engineer Romeo Andig, our Provincial Engineer, Ma'am Freda Fajardo, our School Board Secretary. We have also with us today, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of my professor, Engineer Aurora Adantalim, the chairperson of the foundation of your school, and my classmate, Mr. Julius Liesta, the president of the Alumni Association. Our institution, kasubong ko nga mga sulugoon sa gobyerno, ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning.
The Iloilo Teens Iloilo, a movement for a robust, progressive, globally competitive, and resilient province of Iloilo. Our journey began in 2011 under the leadership of former Governor Art Defensor Sr. with only 5 pilot teen centers. Today, the humble beginning has blossomed into 102 teen centers across 42 municipalities and 1 component city of our province. Kagpermi naton ginapabugal nga ang Iloilo ang may pinakamadamo nga teen centers sa bilog na Pilipinas. Kaya hindi lang madamo in terms of numbers, kundi ang mga programa sa sulod sini nga proyekto under our Adolescent Health and Youth Development Program, ginpasangkad, ginpasanyog, kag gintinad pagit ni Governor Toto Defensor. 14 years of passion, hard work, and shared vision have brought us here. And yet, this is not the end. It is only the beginning of even greater opportunities para sa aton mga kabataan. Today, we mark a significant milestone in our history, the inauguration of Iloilo National High School Teen Center, proudly known as Balay Minerva, and we coined this as the mother of all teen centers in the entire province of Iloilo. In the Iloilo provincial government, good governance is our standard. And Balay Minerva stands as a living proof of that commitment. This very project has brought Iloilo province in the national spotlight, and we were recognized among the top 5 finalists in the Rafael M. Salas Kaunlaran Pantao Awards, honored as one of the most outstanding LGUs in the localization of population and development agenda in the entire Philippines. This success would not have been possible without the dedication and hard work and the support of our partners. We have from Academe, from Central Philippine University, and the University of San Agustin, our convergent partners and your school. We thank Dr. Cecil Fantilio, our Teen Center coordinators, our guidance counselors, our peer helpers. You are making our achievement a reality. During the evaluation, this is how our teen center should be. Dapat amusini ang nawong sa mga teen centers sa bilog na Pilipinas. What a powerful statement and what a proud moment for us Ilonggos, for the Provincial Population Office, for the Iloilo Provincial Government, and for your very own school, the Iloilo National High School. Next week, the province of Iloilo will have the distinct honor of hosting the 2025 National Population Convention. This is the very first time that this event will be held in Iloilo City. One of the major highlights of this national gathering will be the Balay Minerva, your Balay Minerva Teen Center, which will be showcased as a model of youth empowerment and development. Dr. Fantilio will serve as a resource speaker, and she will be sharing the inspiring journey and milestones of our Teen Center project through the years. Around 1,000 delegates and population champions from across the country will be coming over to Iloilo National High School to witness the first-hand best practices and innovations that make our program not only exceptional, but also a benchmark worthy of replication in their respective localities. But beyond that recognition and awards, Balay Minerva is a home. Isa ini kapuluyan. Kung sa diin, kamo nga mga estudyante kag kabataan, ginaabi-abi, ginahatagan importansya, kag ginapamatian, kag ginainchindi ang inyong mga kinahanglanon. It is a sanctuary where our youth are welcomed, valued, and understood. Here, you will not only find programs and projects, you'll find a community that listens, guides, and empowers. Pinaagi sining Teen Center naton, ginadamgo naton. We dream of nurturing young Ilonggos who are not only empowered and resilient, but also compassionate. Our future leaders who will lead with strength, kindness, and a heart for others. To our young people, especially our learners here in Iloilo National High School, you are not just the future, you are the present. You are the heart of Iloilo's progress. The Iloilo Provincial Government, under the able leadership of our good governor, with the full support of our Sangguniang Kabataan, Sangguniang Panlalawigan, and provincial officials and functionaries, as well as your provincial population office family, we will always stand by you to nurture your talents, to champion your voices, to ensure that your dreams will find home in places like Balay Minerva. Let this Teen Center be a reminder that you, the youth, you belong, you matter, and you have the power to shape our future. Thank you and good morning, everyone.
Aton palakpakan ang amay sang probinsya sang Iloilo, our good governor, Honorable Arthur Toto R. Defensor Jr.
Good morning, and congratulations, but more importantly, salamat. Salamat, Gid, sa inyo tanan, kaya ginatindi rin yung aton nga project na may manami kita nga teen center para sa inyo. This is the biggest teen center in the whole province. Ika mo man ang pinakadamo. Ni Ma'am Cecil, you have 6,000 students here. Salamat kita. Thank you very much. And una sa aton, ang ato sa aton nga mga estudyante, para ini sa inyo. We built this facility for you. Panag-iyahan yung inisya. You should own this building because this is for you. And we mean this to be the extension of your home in your Iloilo National High School. Panag-iyahan ninyo siya kag palanggaon. And salamat because this is in full support of our Best Province program, our program for an effective, relevant, and transformative educational system for the province of Iloilo. This is part of it. This building is part of our Best Province program. Effective because, now let me take this opportunity. We have Dr. Erning here, Servillon, our school's division superintendent. Palakpakan natin si Dr. Erning. Aside from this, Dr. Erning, for effective education, because effective, we are in full support of the infrastructure and the facilities of our public schools, including classrooms. Amunin mo natin, Doc Erning, and to the DepEd family, in partnership with your Iloilo province, We will try to do this. This is difficult. Pag hindi na siya ma-push, upod kita and all our partners, lagsun natin ang problema sa classroom shortage. I know that we have a lot to do. Ang aton nga shortage, we have 1,665 classroom need sa probinsya sa Philippines. Kagtilawan ka na nga lagsun. Buso natin ang pwersa sa atong Special Education Fund. Ibutang natin ang masarangan natin ibutang para sa inyo nga mga classroom. Una-unanay natin, Dr. Erning, ang mga classroom sa mga kasimanwa natin ng iban nga national high school. May mga classroom kita nga may mga makeshift classroom. Let's take care of them first. No? The number is 468. May mga classroom kita nga sin. May mga classroom kita nga nipa kagwayan. Kaya parang dito sa mga marayo-rayo lugar. Sa mga bukid-bukid, sa mga baryo na ito. May mga amokran na classroom. Unahon natin sanda, buligan kang budget, kang DepEd, kang isang probinsya. Kasi masarangan ka. Kaya bisan pa hindi, no? You know, education is not a devolved function, local government unit. But nonetheless, we take full responsibility under Best Province Program of the educational system of the province of Philippines. Importante sa aton ang inyong mga classroom. Kag ang tanan nga kalatlabo sa sunod sa classroom. Kay why na sang mas importante pa sa pag-alam ninyong tanan. But that is only half of the work. The classroom, your academics, your books, is only half of the work that we want. Tunga naran kang ubra natin. Kaya katunga sang ubra natin, waay nga katabo sa sunod sa classroom. And that is equally important to us. Ang tunga sang gusto namon nga matabo sa development ninyo tanan diri matabo sa inyo tinsa. This is not only an extension of your home. Hindi lang yan, this is not just a teen center. This is where all our psychosocial programs and projects para sa inyong psychosocial well-being will find a home. Diri mapuli ang tanan naton nga programa sa inyong psychosocial well-being na hindi matabo sa sunod sa class. Pero importante sa inyo, diri mapuli. Our career guidance and counseling program, diri na siya mapuli. When I was your congressman, kita ang nagsulat, Republic Act 11206. We wrote that law. Taguna ang amot naton sa legislation sang bilog nga Pilipinas, the Career Guidance and Counseling Act. All secondary schools in the whole country, including private schools. We have already finished our modules. Sa una, ginaobra pa lang when you remember, Doc Erning, Ma'am Cecil, palapakan natin si Ma'am Cecil. Remember sa nagka-groundbreaking kita, we said, you know, we're developing a career guidance counseling program. Tapos ng module, we did that together with the DepEd and the University of the Philippines, and we are retraining our career advocates, and we will implement that. Dili na siya makuli sa inyong teen center. We have a voter education program for you. Tapos ng modules, we already launched it with Secretary Sani Angara. Nag-train naman kita sa aton nga advocates. Dili man na siya makuli. Because we want our students in the future to be intelligent and active participants in the establishment of our democratic system. Elections and other democratic exercises. Because your Best Province Program, our program for effective, relevant, and transformative educational system, is for total youth development. Nasiling ko, the classroom is very important, but that is only half of the job. The other half is not there, it's here. Total youth development, and half of that happens and will happen inside the teen center. Kag hindi kita kompleto, kag hindi kita tapos, if we will not achieve our goal under Best Province Program, which is total youth development. That is the direction of the educational system of the province of Iloilo. Kag para na siya sa aton nga mga kabataan. Sa aton nga partners, thank you very much. We have a lot of work to do. To Director Harold Marshall of the Population Commission. That's why you're here. All that will come from your commission will happen here. We have board member Ira o Javier. Amo ni siya aton nga board member, our SK Federation Chair. You know, the teen center as a counterpart in the municipalities, the Family and Youth Development Center. We are also building structures like this, one for each municipality. Dira mapuli ang Family Development Council, dira mapuli ang Youth Development Council, and the SK Federation. And that building will correspond to the teen center, working with the Sangguniang Kabataan. Because, among others, ang teen centers natin, we want this to be the nerve endings. We want this to be the frontline detector in understanding you. You know, the biggest challenge in facing the issues of our youth. What is the biggest challenge in facing the issues of our youth? The biggest challenge is more often than not, we don't know what they are. Kaya ka magpanugid mo. Kaya makapanugid. Kapanugid man, pa hindi kita. And we want to know so that we can help. And that is part of total youth development. And we need help in detecting. We need help in detecting. You don't open up to us. You don't open up to us. You open up to your peers. And it takes a lot to discover them. And the teen center will help. Together with the rest of our programs for your psychosocial well-being. So that's how important this building is. Hindi lang dyan istambayan. Hindi lang dyan istambayan. This is the home of the other half of total youth development. The other half you find in your classroom. So salamat. I just told you the relevance and the importance of the teen center in our educational system. Total youth development. Palakpakan man natin si Atty. Von Superio, ang ating nga population officer. And we also have Fred Afardo. We have an education officer in the province, no? And will be the first province to have a Department of Education in the whole country. Maybe we'll do that next year. But we already have a department office. We have Freda. And Engineer Ruming Andig, ang ating nga provincial engineer, nga nag-pisan din, parang may manamit ka nga. This is a very beautiful building. Attorney Von already told you this is modeled after the Casa Real. You know Casa Real, our old capital? The facade is the same. The facade is the same. Tani mga classroom, tamo na malaking itsura. You know, we're building new classrooms right now. We have our typhoon resilient classroom. Ito mo mo ni itsura. We have a different design for classrooms right now. Call them our typhoon resilient classrooms. Yolanda cannot destroy our classrooms. Ikutang natin isa sa mga frontline natin. Lapit sa dagat, diretso hangin, mga klase ng mga lugar. So congratulations, you have a very beautiful. Duwinas ka mo, kaya may amo ko dyan, no? Kabisan siya na mo, wala. But again, this is for you, and this is for our educational system, and our educational system is for total youth development. Thank you and good morning.
Signature.
Once again, let's give a round of applause. All right, so thank you very much, Governor Arturo Davidsar Jr., Vice Honorable Javier, Attorney Ruel Von Saperio, Dr. Ernesto F. Rebellion Jr., Ma'am Dolores Celia Elfantillo, and Ma'am Annabel V. Samaniego.
Also, we would like to thank Director Harold Alfred Marshall, Ma'am Glenda Tanalgo, Engineer Aurora Alerta Lim, Mr. Julius Martin Soliasta, Sharon Kate Obiar, and Ma'am Josephine J. H. Dabuco.
Take shape here in the Balay Minerva of Iloilo National High School. Thank you so much for the vision and the generosity of our beloved Governor Arthur Tuto, our Defensor Jr. Let us give him a round of applause. This facility is more than just a building. It is a safe space for young people, a place where they can find guidance, discover their potential, and feel that they truly belong. Every corner of this center says to them, you are valued, you are seen, and you matter. Governor, what you have given us is not just walls and roof. You have given our youth hope, and with that, a brighter future. On behalf of everyone here, we say, madamo gid nga salamat, Governor. Then of course, this dream would not have been possible without the hands and hearts of those who work tirelessly behind the scenes. So to Attorney Von Superio, the head of the Iloilo Provincial Population Office, whose leadership has always looked after the welfare of our youth. Let us give him a round of applause, please. And of course, to Ma'am Alfreda Pajardo, the head of the EDCOR and the Provincial School Board, the Secretary, her tireless commitment to education and lifelong learner. To Engineer Romeo Andig, I have to mention him because, of course, the head of the Provincial Engineer's Office for building this home with such care. Then, of course, we have here Engineer Glenn. Where is Engineer Glenn? Engineer Glenn, will you please stand up for his diligent monitoring, ensuring that every beam and corner echoed the purpose it was meant to serve, for making sure that every detail was done right. Lakpakan ta si Engineer Glenn. Bisan to ang gabi ari na di siya nag-monitor sa aton nga construction sa teen center. Wala na nabalaan ni ko. So subong balaan niya na. So to our very own, or shall we say the alumna of the Iloilo National High School from the Special Science class, Architect Ria Sendico, I just don't know if she is around, whose brilliance and love helped conceptualize this masterpiece. And thank you so much for the gift of your time, talent, and of course, dedication. And lastly, of course, to Architect Ayan Peter Lama for harmonizing the design to embody the vision of our governor and of course the hopes of the community. So each of you has built more than a structure. Together, you have built a legacy. And of course, one that will continue to inspire and nurture generations of young Ilonggos. The Balay Minerva Teen Center of Iloilo National High School will stand as a reminder of what happens when leaders, communities, and dreamers come together. We build not just for today, but for the future of our learners. So once again, madamo gid ka salamat. Thank you so much, no? Governor Tuto, our Defensor Jr., and to everyone who dreamed, planned, and worked for this. You have given us a center, or shall I say a facility, not only with rooms, but with hope, love, and endless possibilities. Thank you so much, and good day, everyone.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for a short but quite catchy introduction to the very supportive and very helpful, at the same time mabuot kag daw hindi ka mangalagag magpalapit sa iya. Our visionary Governor, Honorable Arthur Toto R. Defensor Jr. Palakpakan ta si Gov. Likewise, to the dynamic and very supportive to the programs and activities of the Division Office, our Principal 4 of Iloilo National High School, Ma'am Delora Cecilia Fantilio. Let us give her a round of applause. We have also with us our President of the PTA of Iloilo National High School, the former mayor. On three things. First is my appreciation to the one who crafted this very good program, pioneered by our former governor, Honorable Arthur Defensor Sr., but now being carried out by our beloved governor, Honorable Toto Defensor Jr., the establishment of the teen centers all throughout the province of Iloilo. Let us give them a round of applause. This program actually is a very good program because right now we are facing challenges in all schools in our province affecting our learners from Key Stage 1 to Grade 12. And actually, one of the challenges in the group of our junior and senior high schools is the challenge of honing them properly and giving them direction so that later, when they go out of our schools, in the schools division of Iloilo, they are already prepared to face the challenges of their everyday living. And one of the challenges is along career guidance of our learners. And we are thankful because our very own governor was also the author of the career guidance law, which activities along this area will really take place in our teen center. I cracked a joke a while ago and I said, Sir Gov, kanami sang aton teen center, amo gitning pinakadako. Silingko daw balkunahi ni General Emilio Aguinaldo nga declare ang Philippine independence. So kanami, let us give it again a round of applause. Plus, all other activities could also take place as mentioned by our good governor in this center, like voters education for our senior high school students, because most of them, when they reach grade 12, they are already aged 18 and they are now allowed to vote, and therefore voters education in all schools shall really be enhanced. At the same time, career guidance program and other mental health activities could also take place in this teen center, including classes for the alternative learning system of our senior high school. So this is a breakthrough in the schools division of Iloilo province with the support of our beloved governor. Congratulations to Ma'am Fantilio and to the rest of the teachers and staff, as well as the parents and the students of Iloilo National High School for being recipients of this noble program. So we hope that our parents could also give us a guiding star to their children, to their son, to their daughter, so that by using this structure, the future of our students could also be prepared with the help and through the efforts of our teachers and department heads of Iloilo National High School. Congratulations to our students, because you are loved by the officials of our government, and the proof to that is the presence of the President of the SK Federation of the Province of Iloilo, Honorable Isara Aldeguer Javier. Let us also give her a round of applause. Honorable Javier is our partner in many of our activities involving our teenagers all throughout the province of Iloilo. So hopefully with this structure, many events and many activities could be carried out to ensure that the future of our children are properly taken care of. And lastly, it is the hope of the division office that our teen center will be multiplied and will be replicated to all schools, all secondary schools in our province as envisioned by our beloved governor. And looking forward that the Department of Education Schools Division of Iloilo Province could really take part and could be a strong partner of our provincial government in ensuring the future of our teenagers, of our learners from Key Stage 1 to Key Stage 4, meaning from kinder to senior high school. Again, congratulations to all of us. Pangibabaw Iloilo, more progress, and good morning.
In the giving of the token and plaque of appreciation.
And of course, we would like to request Dr. Ernesto Servillion Jr. Once again, let us give a round of applause to Honorable Arthur Toto R. Defensor Jr. together with Attorney Ruel Von D. Soperio.
Thank you very much, and of course to the entire Iloilo provincial government and our partners who made our teen center possible. The success of any initiative relies on the strength of its community. We are a round of applause. Mayong aga to all beautiful people of Iloilo Province. So before I start, gusto ko gitamyawon ang aton pinalangga na amay sa probinsya sa Iloilo. Wala iban kundi si Governor Arthur Toto Defensor Jr. Nagapakita gid na grabe panindugan niya sa aton na mga kabataan, kaglabi na gid sa aton mga eskwelahan, kay gihatagan niya ta sa safe place ta sa subong na adlaw. Kagbalaan ta hindi lang ni sa mga kabataan, kag kami mismo na mga SK officials dako gid ginapasalamat namon kay Gov kay tungod gihatagan niya kami lugar kundi na kami makasesyon, hindi na sa kalan-an. Kay may ara na kami sa Family Youth Development Center. Kag of course, hindi lang sa mga sangguniang kabataan, kundi ato na mga youth organization, may lugar na gid. So for that, thank you so much, Gov. Kag makita ta hindi ghost project, ari sa tubang ta subong na adlaw. So atong palakpakan gid. So ako manluyag tamyawon ang ako nanay-nanay sa Capitol, wala iban kung hindi si Ma'am Freda. Nagrabe gid support niya sa ato na education system. Kagaupod naman ang pinakagwapo sa PPO, wala iban kundi si Attorney Von. Kay kung hindi tungod siya, hindi man ni naging posible. Kag madamo gid na salamat Attorney Von for giving or bringing honor sa aton probinsya kay multi-awarded na ni ato na PPO together man sa aton mga PPO family kay ma'am siya ang ako na LYDO designate and Sir Adi naga-picture din na siya type na siya, so shout out to you Sir Adi. And of course ang ato na engineer, wala iban kay ginastorya ko na si Engineer Indig para in kaso magpakasal ko may balay man ko, atong palakpakan si Engineer Indig. And of course ang school principal si Ma'am Cecil and si Director Harold. Kaglabi na gid gusto ko man i-recognize ang aton na ginastorya kagina para magpakasal nako ara man si Father Jose Arnel Kay miskan wala ba na ara ng pari ready na gid. So of course, gusto ko man tamyawon ang ato na mga parents, teachers.
Go!
Welcome to Iloilo National High School!
energy gapon.
Ilonggo,
Lawagon lang yan.
Ang mga partners natin, so ang
Si attorney, hindi ko kilala. Si Doc Shelley, kilala ko.
Rolling and kaway-kaway. And good job.
Ano ba
Kasi, hi lang, hi. And rolling, go. Hi. Hi. Good day. Kaway. Thank you very much. Kaway-kaway, sir. Kaway-kaway.
Bali po no, ang one story. Nag-amo na yung keep. Saan? Bali 11 na na 11. After,
Ang 102, meaning established tayo. Kaway-kaway, kaway-kaway, kaway-kaway. Kaway. Hi, kaway-kaway.
good morning. Ano kayo? Be, kami pagkakto ko din. Or passive is this.
Energy, action!
Welcome to the Live Minerva Teen Center!
Kaway-kaway.
Sana
ka na? Sige, ulitin mo lang para sa video ko. Ulitin mo kunyari. Ayan, ganyan. Sige.